1.
I don't think you shouldn't have done that, but I guess it was a pretty bold decision you did, I'm worried about what the people will think.
What am I supposed to do? Hey Rose, come sit here. Sorry to disappoint you girls, but I like to stay away from her. Beat it loose.
Well, most of you might find today's lecture boring and very slightly annoying. But dear, it's mandatory for all of us to know this. We are learning about the currently prevailing pandemic, novel coronavirus, and its preventive measures. History today made a similar mistake by underestimating this contagion, and it had to face consequences. Pretty bad. We needn't necessarily make the same mistake again, do we?
Sir, I don't mean to interrupt you, but may I come in?
Oh boy, look who's arrived. It seems that you're being late to school every day. May I know the reason?
Sir, basically I have some typical snooze issues. When I got up in the morning and looked at the alarm clock and I was like, oh my god, I'm late to school. And when I saw my bed down getting my bus pass instead of speedily, my mother was like, such things might happen for you, to really listen. Then I grabbed a laptop from the refrigerator and was passing the breaker street. I saw an hungry old man, so I went to John's cafe to buy him some breakfast. And he was like, you do not be late to school, child. And I ran and stopped until I saw a Italian map. And of course, you all know that I don't know Italian. And I was like, what the hell? And because of the alarm clock malfunction, my hungry pet dog, the creepy old man, and the confused Italian map was the reason I was late to school, sir. And yesterday I was late because of...
Oh, enough of pep talk, boy. Get in. And take it from me, you have a bright future as a politician. Anyways, when are we guys time traveling again?
Probably next period, sir.
Well then, Dhamma sir is absent, so anybody interested in time traveling now?
That.
Yes!
It's time to visit the future. Well, it's an honor to meet you, sir. Ma'am, children, he is General Sibel and she is Sergeant Swanwick. And together, they are the governing members of the Astral Curriculum of Time and Rheostatic Locomotion.
Quite a big name.
You can call us Astral Agents, children. Then follow me.
Towards 73 and 312.
Here, your coordinates are set up and you are ready to time travel.
There is an outbreak of pandemic named coronavirus in both the dimensions you visit.
That's exactly the purpose for our visit, ma'am. Thank you for your help. Well, where you must. Okay,
Initializing sequence. Living in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we're in India.
India? I thought you had us to Rome.
Namaste. Welcome everyone. I am Mayuri. Can you please show me the astral guide, sir?
Here you go.
You don't seem like an astral agent. You look like one of these prehistoric beings.
Shut up, baby.
Well, I am given the position for a travel guide to give you detailed and precise information about ancient Indian tradition.
Well, ma'am, we are here because we want to study your methods and what methods you approach to protect yourself from this pandemic.
Actually, as you know that our technology isn't very well developed, we do not know about its origin, but we sure know about the precautions and methods to avoid it. Follow me. Before we continue, students, how many of you wash your hands regularly? Oh, that's very few. It is a Lakshman Rekha against this pandemic.
Oh, I get this reference.
Another crucial measure is to maintain social distance. It keeps us miles away from this contagion.
Besides taking self-care, by regular breathing exercise or pranayama, and by drinking warm water at regular intervals could possibly help in relieving symptoms.
What if someone's infected?
These are Niyantrana models following the oldest containment zones. The infected are treated by Ayurveda. In this way, we have to spread this pathogen.
What about vaccination, man? I guess.
Yes, we don't have one at the moment, and neither do we have hope of its arrival in the near future.
Then, man, how could we possibly put an end to this?
This is one of the disciplines.
Just a moment, kids. I shall have to leave.
Me too.
Here, do you really think you can outwit me? I am the smartest over here.
Beat it, Billy. He seems smarter than me.
Hey kid, we haven't officially met. I'm Kate.
I'm Sisupala.
Take this.
What's this?
Something you remember?
Hey kids, thank you for your assistance.
Thank you.
Initializing sequence. Living in 3, 2, 1.
Is this the future?
Yes, it's AD 2250. It's 50 years from our age.
Warm greetings. I'm Leon. Please let me answer.
Oh, well, Mr. Levi, why is the city so deserted?
It's because of the ordinance issued by Senator Curtis. It prohibits the citizens to come out of their home unless it's necessary.
Curtis?
Please follow.
Courage, valor, academic excellence, huh? Choose your words wisely, Curtis.
My pleasure to meet you guys.
Are you Dr. Stewart?
Yes, we do know the purpose of your arrival. Follow me. This is our laboratory where we study various disease-causing pathogens. Over the recent years, there has been emergence of numerous life-threatening microorganisms. We have identified this novel coronavirus as one of the member of Coronaviridae family and class Pseudoviruses.
Ma'am, we've visited various other dimensions and we found out the preventive measures. But is there any vaccine for this?
The preventive measures hasn't changed much over the years, Mr. Charlatan. The preventive measures hasn't changed much over the years, Mr. Charlatan. The advancements in medical field, we are now able to treat the patients with ease. The mortality rate is very much close to zero and there is a drastic increase in recovery rate. Though we have numerous prototypes of vaccines, it would likely take another decade to vaccinate the entire 20 billion people on Earth.
What? 20 billion?
Unfortunately, people during your times didn't fail to realize the consequences of overpopulation. As a result, millions of dimensions, including us, are suffering.
We certainly do require a thorough study. Well, wasn't that good? Anyways, thank you, Stuart, for your precise analysis. Thank you.
We have an arm also.
You can visit a museum of us.
Thank you. Sure.
The artifacts belong to the early Vedic age, dating back to 1000 BC. This era witnessed the outbreak of pandemic. This locket was found in Emperor Shishupala's tomb.
Oh, Billy, you actually encountered an emperor. If you would have met you after becoming a king, I'm sure that he would have executed you.
Blah blah blah.
Well, kids, I guess we've learned a lot. I guess Miss Simpson might be waiting for you all. Let's get back. Follow. Oh. So, finally, we'll end this brainstorm session. What have you all learned?
We need not fear much about it. Wearing a mask in proper manner and maintaining a distance while speaking to another person would help us.
Discipline is the key. Self-care like pranayama, drinking warm water at regular intervals could help us a lot. Discipline is the key. Self-care like pranayama, drinking warm water at regular intervals could help us a lot.
Oh, look, who's speaking about discipline over here?
Once infected, stay away from the public to prevent the spread.
Keep a check on population. Wait,
Hey, you all people, now you have to look immediately after.
keep a check on population? Wait, that was an issue, right?
No, you wait. Anyways, it's time for me to leave. Stay safe and healthy, kids.
Thank you.
sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hey, good. I've heard that you're being made to school anyway. What's happening?
Ma'am, basically,
Charlatan. Hey, who's that speaking? I guess you'll find out really soon.